Hi, it's Mama Lo. Happy Sunday. I'm having my breakfast. I have Mongoose. Okay. Right. This is Mongoose. I cook it. The way I cook my Mongoose is I'm going to soak first the Mongoose overnight. Then let it. The following morning, you have to cook it, boil it. Then, after it is soft already, the mongoose, you have to saute. This is the ingredients. This is how I cook. Okay, we have different way to cook, but I have to, the way it is, I'm cooking is this one procedure. This is, you have to saute this, the garlic, then tomatoes, slice it, slice. Then this one, onion leaves. I did not buy the onion one, that is raw onion, because it's so expensive, 400 per kilo. So I use this one, 100 per kilo. This one, the 1 gram is 10 pesos. So that's it. No, 1 gram is plenty already. Can use it for 5 times. Just one like this only. Then this one is pitsay. Okay. So after the mongoose are soft already, you have to saute with oil, garlic first, then tomatoes, then onion, then pour the mongoose you cook, then put a little water, let it boil. Then if you have some little pork or whatever you want, chicken, you can use it. Then that's it. After you boil, this is the last you are going to, please, you serve it with this. Okay, so that's it. It's a healthy food. Right? Mongoose, rich in protein, right? So this is what I'm having my breakfast. So see, after my coffee, I eat my mongoose. You can use also, aside from pizza, you can use malunggay or any leafy vegetable, right? As long as you are, it will take to your taste, then do it. Thanks. Hello. That's my grandson, Shan. Oh, look at that. Where are you? Hello. It's Mama Lo. It's my grandson, Shan Brian. I'm here in Kasaba area, counting the chop Kasaba. Okay. The sack is small, so I have to 10 plus 1 because the sack is small. Not like the urea sack. This one, so big, right? Urea. That one is so small. It's for the corn. Okay. It's okay. We have no more sack. Okay, guys. This is Sunday. Still working, sariling sikap, right? That's my grandson, keep on murmuring. He don't want to become a farmer.
Like the farm.
Oh,
So the truck, my
I like that. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, say hi, say hi. Hi, say hi. Bye.